Okay. Yeah, I didn't notice any just until right now when I heard him buzzing on me. Could be the no wind and humidity like you were saying. Jeez. Oh, really? Wuhan, maybe?
Wow.
Hopefully they don't shit in our,
There's a bunch of them over there. Nice. So there he goes.
Ooh. Yeah, I want them to. They need to find the plasma and go down. The lightning, that is. Although it is really cool just to see bolts. I mean, those clouds look like they're coming up. I mean, definitely going east, but... Alright, I'm getting pants and Mom's phone to record. I'm gonna get some pants on and then grab some Mom.